Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming exact availability and acceptable shift lengths. Employers need reliability. Once done, gather ID, updated resume, licenses, and any Form 1099 or background details you may need. Make targeted role choices: security, nursing assistant, warehouse, or 24/7 customer support, so your applications match. Then set up job alerts on 2 platforms and draft a short night shift cover note explaining why you prefer nights and how you handle lay tower responsibilities. Once applications are live, customize each resume and cover note to highlight night-specific skills like safety, independent decision-making, and transportation plans. Make outreach through job boards, 2 staffing agencies, and direct employer emails. Follow up within 72 hours. Practice interview answers that demonstrate how you manage sleep, commute, and emergency response. Give concise examples. Also arrange 2 references who can speak to reliability. Bring copies of certifications to interviews. When you get an offer, verify pay, start date, rotation pattern, and any overtime policies. Get the agreement in writing. Then prepare logistics, secure a reliable commute, establish a consistent sleep schedule, and create a workplace safety and alertness plan. If things go wrong, like rejections or canceled shifts, ask for specific feedback, tweak your resume to emphasize night skills, and engage a temp agency for immediate placement. Most importantly, stay persistent and track every application so you can iterate quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.